Kiss daw.
Ito pa ubi. Wala yan to.
Let's try to make business happen during business hours.
Say. Malaki ba yan?
Oo, malaki yan. May hati yan eh. Kung saan.
Muna, stay. 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 Oh, good boy. Ate. Basta na. Ayaw niya na. Madali na. Oh.
Oo. May coconut ako dito.
Paiga.
Ano ba?
Like, you can't just wait.
Tuyuin mo muna yan.
I didn't just wait. I armed myself. I learned everything there is to know about Gerard and his class. Harvey is right. This guy is a prick. He makes everybody read his books and doesn't even test on them.
Lola, say bye-bye to Toby.
Bye-bye, Toby!
Tsaka kay...
Good boy ka. Good boy ka.
Yes, Lola. Toby. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Grabe siya ba yun? Inakyat niya ito, oo. Ang yabang ng mukha nito! Yes. Sige dito. Toby. 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 Sweet.
Ayun na ba yun?
Nang buksan yung so. Ako, kalimutin mo yung...
Kailangan pagtas kong tumae, ganyan itsura mo. Pwede na ba akong humiga dyan? Pwede ka na bang umayos? Okay lang ba, Toby?
Ano ito ba yung tip?
Sit! Shake hands. Shake hands. Sit. Sit. Sit ka. Okay, shake hands. Sarap. Shake hands.
Down. 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 Shake hands. Down. Come here, come here. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. To you. Halika na. Nakaalam na ako ng bagong paraan para magpaligo na hindi siya nakakaalpas. Tobes. Grabe, sarap na sarap sa kamot. Toby. Baby. Tobes, tara na. Gising na. Grabe. Good boy. La, mabibitawan mo yung sungay mo.
Okay.
Hala, okay, ni-kiss ka niya. Yes. Bagong ligo yan. Kawawa sa'yo. Malaglag pa. Hi! Say hi! Shake hands. Good boy. Good boy. Kasi naman, oh. Sit. Sit ka, Torgo. Yan. Yan. Tor! Tingkate, katingkate. Kita ka dyan sa camera.
My parents don't accept my sexuality. Winning this will let me prove to myself that as long as I feel good about who I am, that's all that matters.
Ito na, ito na, ito na. Hindi.
Lahat ng paghihintay, ang lahat ng aking pagtitiis. Salamat po, Lord. Salamat po.
Abo. Dito. Dito ka mag... Sit. Sit. Shake. Good boy. I miss you. Miss you? Miss you? Down.